We're at Suds on the Sound. That takes place in Rye, New York. The Barley Beach House, something like that. Beach Barley House, I don't know. It's where a bunch of vendors, I believe it's 50 vendors, come out and you can sample all of their stuff, mainly drinks, but I do hear there's food, and of course you know that's the main reason I'm here. Look how nice this is. Had to park outside. It's so many people, you park on the grass and all over the property. Look, there's people that parked here even earlier. But I hear music that way, so let's go figure this thing out. I came last year. I did not post the video. I'm thinking about attaching it to the end of this video. So stay tuned at the end, because I might just be adding in 2025. Wow, look. It's literally right on the water. That's the beach, and there's people on the beach already. But I think they're not in the water, they're just sunbathing. I hear music, I see a lot of people, and I see food trucks. Let's get some food because I haven't even had breakfast yet.
Hot dog?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, well, no, two. Thank you. That's good. Anything else?
¿Cosi?
Yeah.
¿Una de estas?
Sí.
Sí. Ok.
No, no entero, no.
La mitad.
Como dos pedazos. Eso es demasiado.
Préstame el cuchillo. Ok.
Ok, gracias.
Ya.
Alright, so I got inside. I got my cup. This is where I go to every vendor, fill up, have a sample, keep it moving. This is breakfast for me, so I had to get some food. I got the VIP pass, so it includes food down here on the beach, and they're actually barbecuing food. We have pulled pork. We have this guy tried to give me the whole rack of ribs. I said no, I'm solo, so he gave me a portion of them, which is still too much ribs. This is supposed to be bacon, 2 pieces of the stick bacon. We got pulled pork. A little dry. Coleslaw. Macaroni salad. This bacon looks interesting. I didn't think it's bacon. Alright, let's do some of this rib. Wow. That's so tender and juicy. Sliding right off the bone. Barely chewing required. It's crazy. Should have got the whole rack. No. Wow. I'm glad I waited for the ribs. When I got there, he was just unwrapping the ribs. They just came out. Wow. I did see some burgers on the grill, but for now we have all this, and last but not least, the hot dog. That's a good hot dog. We got the char from the grill. That's how you do it. food. It was very good. I just ordered a cheeseburger, but I asked for them to put the cheese on the burger while it's on the grill so it can melt, because they're giving hot burgers with cold cheese on top, and there's no point in doing that. Thankfully, it's a beautiful day. Lately, the weather's been really up and down, so it's actually a nice beach day. There's a lot of families on the beach. There's even little kids playing in the water. This is a pretty big burger. I even put coleslaw on it. So there's lettuce, tomato, coleslaw, ketchup, and mustard. The wind is blowing my plate. Overall, it's a very average burger.
I could pay off my debt for myself and kids, and it's time to work people do. In a moment like this, I can't ever wonder, what would Andy Fennell do?
You mean me?
Yes, I'm.
Please have a taste of the peach. Yeah. Thank you. First sip of the day. This is a vodka seltzer called, I think it's 196 or I-96. Peach one is nice. It has that artificial sugar flavor. Wow. Karate's cheesesteak is here. Let's go say what up to Paulie. Paulie!
Oh,
what's
my
up,
guy.
man? How are you?
My guy, I should have known you were gonna be here.
Of course. How's it going? How's it going?
Good, man. How you doing?
Great, great. All right, let's get our next drink. I like that seltzer. It was nice and refreshing. I feel like having just seltzers, but I know that's not going to happen because I want to try everything. This one looks like something I've never heard before. Let's see what this is. Talea, T-A-L-E-A.
Thank you so much.
Hi. Hi. What type of beers do you have?
This is Talea. We're from Williamsburg, Brooklyn. This is our Italian style Pilsner, and we also have a hazy IPA.
I have the Pilsner, please. Thank you very much.
Enjoy, thank you.
Yeah, but never.
Talea, never heard of this one. That's fantastic. Three's Brewing, never heard of it. Three's Brewing, what you guys got? Never heard of this one. Where you guys out of?
Out of Brooklyn. We're in Gowanus.
Brooklyn, oh good.
We got our summer lager, super crushable, tasty beer. We got our Pilsner, this is our flagship, amazing Pilsner. Our hazy IPA, Logical Conclusion, and our West Coast IPA.
We gotta try the flagship.
Cheers.
Thank you very much. Out of Brooklyn, New York. That is a good one. Dogfish Head. I've had Dogfish Head IPA, but never a vodka. They have Dogfish Head vodka. Gotta try that one. I see lemonade. They got the mule. Love me a mule and a crush. I'm gonna have to go with the lemon drop because it has blueberry citrus in it. That sounds great. Let's see what it's all about. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. Can I please try the lemon drop?
Yes. Cocktail.
You don't always want to order lemonade.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. All right, Dogfish Head.
Get in here. What are you gonna try?
That's good. I would definitely get that. That's good.
And you, when homeward stroll, take a bowl or a bucket of the Mountain Dew. Hi, skiddy-dee-da-dum, diddly-doo-da-dum, diddly-doo-da-diddly-da. Hey!
I made a ring, so they gave me my gift. My gift is bunny ears. A little ridiculous, but what are you gonna do? Sun Cruiser. It is a vodka iced tea. Let's do it. Yeah, whatever you got, let's do it. Thank you. Yeah, that's delicious. Nice and cold on this nice, warm, sunny day. All these drinks are doing very well right now. Nice and refreshing. Another vodka cocktail. This one is called Sinless.
It's like, how do they make money off of these? Yeah,
Hey, man, how you doing?
I got 4 flavors: peach, pineapple, cranberry, black cherry.
Let's do black cherry.
Black cherry.
Black cherry, let's do it. Thank you.
Have you had this before?
Never even heard of it.
No sugar, no carbs. Just came out last month.
Really?
Lightly carbonated, so you know it's carbonated, but it's not gonna bloat you, no heartburn.
Awesome, thank you. All right.
That's right. If you're with the other
That looks good.
then you're
My man, that looks really good.
what do you see?
Can I have the Paloma, please?
Absolutely.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Cheers, bud.
Thank you. Jose Cuervo Paloma. That's a good flavor. Yeah, please. Thank you. Topo Chico Margarita. Those Mexican colors intrigued me, man. What do you got?
So we're single cut with Astoria Queens. We have a Mexican style lager and a West Coast style IPA.
Very nice. I'll do the lager, please. Thank you.
No problem.
What's the name of it? Single cut?
Correct.
Single cut. Single cut. Pull them apart. Woo! Oh, hold on. No, pull it foot apart again. Woo!
We all feel this way sometimes.
It's like a portable Bloody Mary.
Shine till the break of day.
Mango cart? Never heard of mango cart before. Let's see what it's all about. Yeah, man, please try it. Mango cart, what is it?
It's a mango beer.
Mango wheat beer.
Yeah.
Okay. It is a mango wheat beer. That's delicious. It tastes like juice. It tastes like mango juice.
You never count your money. You're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough to count when the dealing's done. 'Cause you got to know when to hold 'em.
Yonkers Brewing Company is here. Let's see what they have. Not upstate. Hey, how you doing?
How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Welcome to Yonkers.
Yeah, let's do it.
Pilsner, and then we got a hazy IPA.
Let's do the Pilsner, please.
Pilsner, here you go. So much pressure. Perfect pour. Look at that. Mark it.
Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. Not upstate Pilsner. Let's do it. Firehouse Bourbon Sweet Tea. Let's see what this is. I'll definitely give it a try, please. Try long drink peach anyway.
Raspberry. That's what we're doing right now.
Now please have
Long
peach.
drink. It's from Garland. It's really good. I got
Oh, this guy's good. This guy's good.
We got the beach long drink. I love that. It's like a cream soda.
Peach long drink. All right, what do you got going on here? What's the name of the
These are seltzer. It's Talk House.
Talk House?
Oh,
Seltzers from Talk House, vodka.
So we have 2 with vodka base,
Okay.
and we also have 2 that is tequila.
Blood orange, grapefruit, lime, cranberry. Yeah, please have the cranberry one. Thank you very much. Thank you. Talk House. Talk House. Never heard of this one. This is a vodka cranberry. The original, like, mixer to have a vodka. Ritual. Never heard of Ritual. Ritual Zero Proof, the liquor replacement. That's why I never heard about it. It's non-alcoholic. Moving on. Soul Brewing. I think I had this before. How you doing, man?
Get my good side.
My man. What we got? What we got today?
one.
What we got? Illuminator.
Illuminator Maibach, raspberry sour. I have a Franjez hammer, like a dark.
Let's do the Illuminator. This looks good.
Got the rest of that, my friend.
Oh man, thank you very much.
Cheers.
Thank you. Soul Brewing. Dylan's. Never heard of Dylan's. What we got here? How you doing? Never heard of this one. What we got here?
This is vodka, gin, and tequila.
Wow. Now please have the margarita.
These are the margaritas.
Now please have it.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, let's do it.
Can you forward me that video?
What's that?
Can you forward me that video?
Yeah. Let's do it. So this is Holy Cocktail Margarita. All right, so this event was all about drinks. It was food vendors, like food trucks. There was also a lot of clothes vendors, jewelry, a lot of random everything and anything. There was a lemonade vendor. Live music last year though, 2025. They had a clown and he was making this big show and he was entertainment, and that was something to look forward to. But this year they didn't have any of that. It was just vendors and a stage with live music and DJ. That kind of sucks. The clown got fired. I hope the clown gets his job back next year. And that's about it. Suds on the whatever the hell this place is called. Great event. And next year I will most likely be here also. Thank you everybody for watching. Peace and love. Suds on the Sound Craft Beer Festival. My first time ever here. So what we got? Tell me about this one.
Any beer?
Industrial Arts Brewing Company. This is the any beer. Any time of day, even for breakfast, you can have this light beer.
And that's when we pause between our beer drinking when we have too many beers.
We're about to serve the Not Upstate beer. It is an Italian Pilsner that'll blow your socks up. It's an all-day crusher, and it proves that Yonkers is not upstate.
Why not? Cheers. Cheers,
Papi Chulo. Where did you get the name Papi Chulo?
Came to me in a dream.
What is this instrument called?
Memory maker.
He is playing the memory maker, the best memory maker in all of Rye.
What are your thoughts there, Franjez?
Only 5% alcohol, very light.
Sir, Sunset Park, Brooklyn.
It's Jersey Hut, and we have 16 different types, different flavors of beef, and they range anywhere from mild to extremely hot. Yes, and then we have anywhere from 13 to 15 of our wild games, different ones. Okay, so in my personal opinion, the best one is Whiskey Scorpion, and it's just as hot, only it's a little different. It's marinated in a honey Jack Daniel's sauce. It's got a delayed heat, so the longer you chew it, the better. It literally comes in layers. First you'll taste the honey, then you'll taste the meat.
It's a little hot.
Yo, review this one though. How you feel about it?
It's hot, but
What about the flavor though?
the flavor is cool. Which one is this?
This is the one I just described.
What's the name of this one?
Whiskey Scorpion, the Trinidad Scorpion pepper.
Let's go crazy.
It's called crazy.
That one's good right there.
It is. Take your time with it, yeah.
Whiskey Scorpion?
You like that one?
Yeah, I like that.
Let it go. You're not going to really feel it talking too long. It's a back burn. As to where the reaper's a front burn.
So the scorpion puts the burn like later.
Yeah, but like not later, but like as soon as you swallow. And then take that first breath. But I like that because a lot of people pop it in their mouth like a pill, you know what I mean? And they swallow it. It's like, no,
you have to break it down. Alright, so like I already know what's going on. So the scorpion, it tastes a lot better. Right?
This is called what?
That's my Whiskey Scorpion.
Whiskey Scorpions. This is the second spiciest.
Yes.
This one you enjoy. That's not crazy.
That's it.
All right. Whiskey Scorpion. So on level 1 to 10, what would you say?
On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being extreme, it's my 9.
This is a
It's the
9.
hottest pepper in the world.
From jump? From jump is very sweet.
It is, isn't it?
Very tender.
Yeah,
Amazing.
Yeah, the honey, then you'll taste the meat, and then when you swallow, you get the
Incredible so far.
Thank you.
I don't know how many seconds it's been, but incredible so far. Sweet, tender, smooth.
And that's what, when you pay these kind of prices, you want to enjoy it, you know what I mean? You don't want to just go.
That's what I don't like. I don't want to feel the pain.
Wow,
You know what?
I'm feeling it right now.
I don't know if the first one's like numb me, but I'm not feeling the pain. I swallow it. I will.
Give it a minute.
Not too spicy.
Give it a 5 then.
Okay, I'll give you the 5. Ready?
But this still hasn't really. I think that the first one numbed me because I feel fine. Sorry. Incredible. Sweet, spicy, tender.
Where are you from? Where am I from? 40 miles? No, not 40 miles. 20 miles north of Philadelphia.
Let me get a scorpion. Can I buy a scorpion?
Yeah.
That wasn't bad at all. I didn't even feel the 9. I think I got numb from the fuel.
You gotta go the highest.
I got
lower.
I got numb from the 5. Nothing at all. I think the 5 got me so numb. I don't feel it.
But you gotta go all the way.
It's good.
But it's good.
It's great. It's great.
But I'm not gonna lie. That's why I'm getting the scorpion, because I know it's good.
Yes.
It tastes really good.
Yep.
Peace and love.